Okay, guys and gals, two things. Number one, we're recording an accuracy video for the AirSoft P22. It's the one that shoots these little balls you see there. And what we're going to do, we've got a camera sitting right back here and a target, as you can see, right over there. What we're going to do is we're going to take and shoot about 4 or 5 shots at the target. See how close we can get to the bullseye. See how accurate this little thing is. Okay, let's give it a shot, shall we? We turn the camera on down here. Oh, incidentally, we're only about 2.5 yards away, so it's not very far. It gives us a good idea what the accuracy really is, though. Let's give it a shot. Safety off. Second shot. Third shot. Fourth. And let's put one more out there. There you go. Now you can see how accurate this little thing is. It's not a bad little gun if you like shooting plastic balls at people. Have a good one.